Hey there YouTube, High Mileage Rider here, and today is a beautiful Saturday morning in June, and I'm about to head out with the boys to make a trip to Drumheller, to Wayne, Alberta, to go over the 11 bridges, and to head out to the Last Chance Saloon and see if it's still open. If this is interesting to you, stick around. Okay, so here we are heading out to pick up the boys in Beaumont. We're going to meet at the Shell station. As you can see, there is sun ahead of me, but oh so doomy cloud out to the right. And unfortunately, this morning we're going to be going that way. So we're going to take the Henday to Highway 14, Highway 14. Highway 14 down to Highway 21. And then we'll make our way south, east to Drumheller, Alberta, Wayne, Alberta, and the Last Chance Saloon. We'll see you once we pick up the boys. Well, oh look, everybody's here already. And they've even had time for coffee. That's Tim in front of me. Go figure that I would be the last one here. Look at us just racing down the highway like a chevron of old, frizzled, saggy geese. I tell you, Steve, having those wraps on your bags is way better when you're the sun is behind you. I get less glare. I'm not going blind anymore, and they look cool. Now, who says that we don't have beautiful scenery in the prairies? Makes you almost forget that it's flat for miles and miles. Almost don't want to blink as you pass the big town of New Norway. I think we did stop at this domo once, yeah. Alright, Farintosh. Yeah, the next town is Bashaw. Farintosh welcomes you, Little Beaver Lake. We are making a quick stop so that Heath can adjust his handlebars. Well, Matt, is it everything you hoped it would be? This is called a motorcycle ride, just so you know.
I was back at work and be able to for a ride.
Look how dirty your bike is. It's been ridden.
Yep.
So we've done a little trade of bikes, and I am on the KTM Super Adventure with knobby tires. What kind are these again, Steve? Michelin Anarchy Wild. I'm still waiting for my Shinkos to come in, the E804, 805s, but I just wanted to see what it rode like, and you're right, Steve, you don't really notice any difference on the highway going in a straight line. There might be a slight bit more vibration, but the handling doesn't really seem all that much different. Yeah, I suppose when you get on gravel, then it's way better because you hook up a lot better. And I forget, Steve, do these Anarchy Wilds, do they have a speed rating? Yeah, I think the Shinkos were 99 miles an hour, or 160, 155. Yeah, I mean at highway speeds in Alberta at 120, they're just fine. I don't hear any extra noise. Okay, so how do you pronounce the name of this town? Is it Erskine? Erskine. Looks like a tiny little town. The flea market. Here we are coming into Drumheller. We all put our rain gear on and it warded off the evil spirits of rain. Such cool rock formations. Bet you Steve wants to drive up one of these with his knobby tires. Yeah, we should. We're going to stop up ahead and get a picture with the dinosaur. I always like going over this bridge because there's the Tyrannosaurus Rex just waiting to eat us. Okay, making the turn to the Last Chance Saloon. Wayne, Alberta. 11 bridges. Bridge 1. Bridge 2. Okay, number 3. I think we're first. Cool, cool rocks. Oh, they're building a new bridge. Brand new, yes. So I guess does that count as bridge 4 and 5 then? Bridge 6 and 7. Yeah, I would definitely say it looks a bit like Montana here. Oh, and then the old bridge.
Is that the train bridge?
I think that is the train bridge, yeah. Alright, I lost track. Is this number 7?
8, according to your count.
Oh, there you go. Number 8. Okay, I'm thinking this is 9 and 10. I forget, is the Saloon this turn? No, not this one. Oh, he's waiting for us. I'm thinking my math was off and that was number 11.
That's the big sign set.
Yep. Remember, your elementary school teacher said that math would save your life one day. I'm obviously a goner. Home of good food and friendly people, the Last Chance Saloon. Okay, now we're gonna get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it! Ah! We are open. Look at that. We'll see you inside. Well, there's a turn for the Royal Tyrrell Museum. Sold out today. Heath, you really should have had a better idea which direction we were going. That's all I gotta say. See, there's the river. Horse Thief Canyon, hey? So I don't know if this was the plan, but the boys put me in the lead and now we're going to cross a ferry. The Bluriot Ferry. And there it is. It's a long ferry trip. Maybe they have dinner or lunch happening at the time. Snacks. Yeehaw! Going on the ferry. Boat trip.
I can't hear you.
Look at that. Cars get to go first. What's with that? And there we go, the most exciting part of the whole ride today. The Blernrut ferry. Hey, at least we got twisty roads, guys. Even if we don't know where the hell we're going. Okay. So Matt had to get off this horribly uncomfortable bike and have some quality time on the adventure touring bike. Although he now has the GPS and directions. You definitely make much better time on Highway 2 coming back. I guess Heath is losing his reigning crown as whip leader at the front to Marcel. No, that's true. Okay, well here we are back in Edmonton, safe and sound. And we managed to skirt the vast majority of the rain, just had a few little sprinkles here and there. I hope you guys enjoyed our ride out to Drumheller, Alberta, Wayne, Alberta, out to the Last Chance Saloon for some lunch, where I'll just let it be known I did have a salad. And back again. We got to do a ferry ride. We didn't quite know where we were going on the way back, but that's what adds the fun to the trip. So anyways, this is a nice break from all of the episodes of Goldwing restoring, and we will see you guys on our next ride. Remember to keep your right hand cranked and the rubber side down.